Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Snapchat account right now. So first of all we will go into a browser, okay, and here you have to type Snapchat support, okay, and after you can see that the whatever the first website comes out, you have to click on that, and the interface will look this kind of, and here you can type troubleshoot Snapchat login issue, okay, and just click on that, and you have to scroll a little bit down, and here you can see reactivate your Snapchat account may be locked, right? So here you can see the learn and what to do if your Snapchat account is locked, so you have to click on that, and here you have to scroll a little bit, and the first option, my account has been permanently locked. So what can I do, right? So you have to click on the first, and you have to scroll a little bit and click on yes, okay, and here you have to select the second option, I can't access my account, right? And here you have to select another option, so we can select that I think my account was hacked, okay. And here this is very important, you have to enter all the details here, so the username, your email address, your mobile number, and the description, your issue, you have to provide each and everything, you have to describe in a better way, okay. So after that you have to fill the captcha, and after that you can send it. So after sending it, Snapchat will contact you through your email address, and they will try to fix the problem as soon as possible. So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.